Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use gesture navigation instead of buttons on INFINIX Note 60 Pro. Okay, so to change the navigation method, go to Settings, then scroll down all the way until you find the System, and now go to System Navigation. And in here we just gotta change from 3 buttons to gestures, just like that. Now when it comes to navigating through the gestures, if you want to go back to the previous page, simply slide from the edge to the middle, just like that. Really easy thing. Now if you want to go to the home screen, simply slide to the upside. If you want to open up the recent apps, slide from the downside and then hold a little bit in the middle of the screen, and now we have our recent apps. If you want to close them, simply slide to the upside. It is really easy. It's pretty, it's simply easy. If you can learn, in here you also have the tutorial. You can go through it if you want, just like I have shown you. To go back, slide from the middle. Now if you want to, if you swipe from the right side, it will also work. If you swipe to the upside from the downside of the screen, you'll open up, you'll go to the home screen. And if you swipe and then pause, you'll open up the recent apps. If you slide along, what was that actually? You can also go between recent apps. That's the thing. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.